This is a quick demo on how to use the PushPress Core Playbook. I am downloading it now. We just made our purchase. So it is going to pop right into your download file. Again, I am using Gemini today. I want to show you how I use this live. So right here we have our file. Literally just drop it right into your Gemini. I'm going to type run so it boots up. And now we are going to be doing Gemini live today. So what I want to show you is here we have our Gemini button. You can see we're going to click this. Now the most important part is we have to have it with the chat that has this in it. Okay, so I have a new chat here that's booting up. This is an older one, but I wanted to show you this is how you adjust that. So my most recent chat that I just booted up, the system boot and command prompt, you have to make sure you have this here with your playbook in here or you're not going to get your live. So we're going to set up our go live now. You're going to click this button. Okay, give it a second. Gemini, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm here.
You ready to proceed with a command?
Absolutely. Okay, so Gemini, I've uploaded the playbook and I'm sharing my screen. Look at this member's profile and tell me what you see.
Okay, looking at the member's profile, I see Justin Moldenhauer. He's an active member with an Open Gym Access, Unlimited plan. It also shows he has a completed trial class. Anything specific you'd like me to investigate further on this page?